We're going to take a closer look now. Anyway, we've done a quick overview before, but I want to show a closer look at the social studio setting on Lofty. So again, if you're in your Lofty, you go to marketing. Let me get my little bar out of the way. And then once you go to Lofty and you click on marketing on the left under tools, you're going to go down and you're going to click on, you get that out of my way, social studio. And this looks like a calendar kind of thing will pop up. So what this is how you can set up, create a post, set it up, and schedule like your whole month to auto post for you. So the first thing you want to do up here, you see these two arrows that go up and down. You're going to click on those up and down arrows and it's going to open up your calendar. And once you have your calendar opened up like this, you can just click on any other day, like today happens to be the 19th. If I open this day up, it lets me put in a page that I've created. The easiest thing is to either do listings or landing page. I'll show you how to do blogs at a later video, the correct way to do them. That's a little bit easier to do it. So say I want to throw in a landing page to post later. I just click landing page. Let's say I want to do it for this single property squeeze page. I hit next. The page is already done, ready to go, ready to roll. I can change the details now, change the message, whatever I want. And then you'll see these are grayed out. I'm going to show you in a second how to add all of your social media links. As long as it's not, if it's Instagram or TikTok, it has to be a video. So again, the Instagram and TikTok button won't work, but and YouTube, of course, but everyone else, you could post to Facebook, LinkedIn, all those kind of places right away. X, Twitter, all that. You can post those directly, instantly, and then you can have it all set. Now, if you turn your little post into a video, instead of doing there, you can, if you have a video ready to go, you can post that as well, or you can create your own and throw in a video. So once I have it ready, I'm ready to go. See, if I did it right now, I would post on this date right now, August 19th at AM, it would kind of say that. But if I hit the edit button, I can change the date and the time. So whenever I have people more on my website than other times, at that point, when they're on the website more than other times, I'll be able to schedule it out for those times and those dates. So this way I can go through and get those set to go and set again. Choose your type, choose your post, get it ready, ready to go. Now to get it ready to post, that's just how you throw some in there to post them. You're going to go to settings, manage profiles, and here you can see you can add these Facebook, Instagram, X, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Google My Business. All these can be ready to go. Now a good idea is to try to do something like a 1 minute or less video. That way you can post it to Google My Business. You don't have to worry about it. So I recommend, like I've showed in other videos, take your pictures, download them, throw them in PowerPoint or Canva. I have other videos on my YouTube channel talking about that. And then once you throw them in PowerPoint or Canva and go through, you'll be able to just have less, if you have, make it into a less than a minute video, you'll be ready to go that way. And then you can post it to all these different places. This makes it really easy to go through and to connect all your social. Now, some people come in and they see they have social underneath already connected. You can do that as well if you want. And you can do that. Now, if you have a post package, it says manage your package here. You can pay, and like you can see Studio Pro, you can auto boost, you can do all this kind of stuff if you want to push it. That's not really necessary if you go through here, manage your profiles, get everything set, and then fill out your days. And as you can see, you can go month to month. I can also just create a post. Say I want to do a listing. I put in the listing. We'll say this is the listing one. We hit next. Ready to go. And then depending on what type of social media channels I had connected, I could post it. And then that way I could touch the most people and connect with everybody. And you can see I can have every other day, every day, whatever days you want. It depends when your profile is getting the most active and the most activity and things like that is when you would want to post. So Social Studios is great. It's a way to organize everything, get everything set, post out there, and be ready to go. Very simple, easy. You can take a couple hours, build a bunch of landing and squeeze pages like I showed you before, have those ready in the other videos, just copy, drop them all in, do any listings you have, do any great homes you want to advertise, blast them out, and you'll be ready to go. Hope that helps. Talk to you soon.